To duplicate objects in Illustrator, we can use traditional Ctrl+C to copy objects to memory or clipboard, and Ctrl+V to paste the objects from the memory onto the canvas. So for example, we can select this rectangle and press Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. Notice a new rectangle created based on the one we select before. Besides using keyboard shortcuts, you can also use the edit menu and use copy in here and paste in here. Okay, now you might notice that the new rectangle that we pasted before appear in the center of our view. This is the default behavior of pasting object into the scene. In a lot of cases, we will want to paste the new object in the same location as the original object. To do that, we can use shortcut Ctrl+Shift+V to paste it in place, or you can go to Edit menu and click this Paste in Place button up here. When you copy and paste to the same location, you may not see something different. But when we click and drag this object, we can see that we actually have two objects stacking on top of each other. Basically, the new object will be placed exactly on top of the original one. You can use Ctrl+Shift+V to paste object on another layer at exact position of the original object. I know we haven't discussed about layer yet. I just want to explain that there are two other pasting operations that work best only on a current layer. First is Ctrl+F for pasting exactly on top of the current object, and second there is Ctrl+B that will paste object at the back or behind the current object. Again, these two shortcuts work best for working on the same layer. If you want to paste on other layer, just use Paste in Place method using shortcut Ctrl+Shift+V. You will understand more about this layer concept in the later lesson about layer. Besides using traditional Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, we can use Alt key to copy object while moving it. So to show you what I mean, make sure we are in Selection tool. Now if we select this rectangle and press Alt, notice we have this special clone cursor like this, and then when we move this rectangle and release, we have a new cloned rectangle. Another useful shortcut for duplicating is Ctrl+D. If you forget the shortcut, you can go to Object, Transform, Transform again. You'll see the shortcut in here. Okay, the shortcut can be used to repeat action that we've done before. So for example, if I move this object to the right a bit and then hit Ctrl+D again and again, notice the object will move continuing the movement that we've made before. Now, we're going to apply this to cloning objects. Select this rectangle and press Alt for cloning and click Drag to clone and move to the right side. After that, press Ctrl+D. Notice a new object will be created using the same behavior that we have before. And if we press Ctrl+D again and again, like this, we have an array of objects like this. In later video, we're going to use this Ctrl+D method with the Rotate tool to create circular pattern. Right now, just remember that we can use Ctrl+D shortcut to repeat any transformational action on object or duplicated objects.